How to download and install the PayPal app on your mobile devices. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is quite simple process to download and install the PayPal app. First of all, head over to Play Store or App Store and tap on the search bar. Then after type in PayPal and you will see the application by PayPal Mobile. Tap on the install button and the download should start. The app is of 105 MB, so the download will depend upon your internet connection. It could take 1 to 2 minutes for the download to complete, and once that is done, the installation should automatically start. Once the installation has been completed, you should be able to launch the app. You will see the open button turn blue, only then you can tap on open to launch the app. Once you have launched the application, after that you can sign up or log in using the app itself. The process to do so is as follows. Launch the app and then tap on sign in or log in or sign on button. Depending upon it, you have to give in your credentials and you should be good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.